So I've been in this business for over 20 years, and I have to say it's one of the most exciting times to really be in the business application space. We really saw an opportunity to focus on service industry, and in particular, kind of three characteristics, that being, project-based firms, asset-intensive, and field service related. And so those are kind of the three pillars that we look at in common trades. And it's not, when we look at an example, specialty contracting or utility, it's not that entire vertical that we go after. It tends to be very somewhat micro within that vertical. And we found over 12 years that the more focused we can be, the more disciplined we can be within the solutions we bring to market, and with that vertical industry lens, the more successful we are, as well as the more value we can create to our customers.
So I was involved, and we've come a long way since then, but I was involved with the original Microsoft product, which was not owned by Microsoft at the time, but owned by Damgaard in Denmark. That was back in 1994. And we actually had the original developer and writer with Damgaard, which was Eric Damgaard. And he actually came multiple times to our offices in Southern California, Los Angeles area. And he actually trained my team, and he brought over a team from Denmark.
Knows what it's good at, and it focuses right there. It found its sweet spot, and it focuses on that sweet spot. We bring in professionals that are specific to that area, and we don't venture outside of that area.
I think we take it up a notch because we tend to not just look at the tactical and functional side, but we also look at the industry as a whole to say, where is this industry trending? What are kind of the major challenges that they're dealing with? What are the major opportunities? How are they embracing technology, things like IoT and connected field services, as an example?
So when we are engaged by our customers, we have consultants that really have worked on their side of the fence, if you will, and that is very, very useful because they are able to immediately relate to and identify some of those common operational challenges.
Time to value is huge. So it's been kind of a cornerstone of ours, and whether you're talking a 60-day implementation or just ways to create compression or agility in a deployment cycle that could be a year, 2 years even, those elements are applicable to kind of supporting that dynamic business model of our customers.
So Sopris Assurance is the process that we use to do an actual implementation. Early on, it's very waterfall-ish. But when we get to the actual build phase, it's very agile-like. And what I mean is, rather than go away for months and hope that we come back giving the customer something that they want, we're actually only gone for 8 or 9 business days. And on that 9th and 10th business day, every 2-week cycle, we're back in front of the client showing them what we've built for them.
Really, the team is set to provide support services for any and all needs to enhance the customer's experience.
Many of our customers are expanding into other markets, other industries. Their resourcing staffs have changed, their requirements have changed, and I always tell customers, when you're going to acquire a new company, please call us first.
Yeah, we are all smart technologists, but we at Sopris put a premium on people that understand the business.
Obviously, we want to grow as a company. What we don't want to lose is what makes a boutique firm a specialist, like an investment bank firm or like a legal firm, or I think someone had once said like a Navy SEAL team. We've had tremendous growth, and we're on track to continue to grow at pretty substantial clip of percent year-over-year growth, but we're very sensitive to never losing that, what makes us unique on that boutique kind of agile culture.